Multi-app kiosk mode is a feature that restricts the device to allow listed applications, preventing access to other apps and features, reducing distractions, and providing users with only the necessary tools. Windows devices are often configured in multi-app kiosk mode in office and public scenarios to ensure secure access and prevent unauthorized usage, thereby maintaining a controlled and efficient environment. With AirDroid Business MDM solution, you can effortlessly lock down Windows devices in multi-app kiosk mode without coding. To begin device lockdown, sign up and log into the AirDroid Business Admin Console. Navigate to Devices, Device Enrollment, Windows, and follow the instructions to enroll your devices. Next, distribute and install apps on your Windows devices. Go to the Apps tab. Click Add App. Windows. Select the app type, such as .msi, UWP, or .exe, and complete the release process. Once apps are installed, access the Policy and Kiosk tab on the dashboard. Click Create Config File. Select Windows, Policy, and confirm with OK. Proceed to the Kiosk Mode tab and choose Multi-App Mode. In the User Account section, select an appropriate option and enter the details for your target account. Then, visit the App Allow list for Kiosk tab. Click Add App and choose apps to restrict from the list. To impose further restrictions on your managed Windows devices, go to the Restrictions tab. Here, you can easily disable specific Windows device functions, such as the camera, language changes, shared clipboard, and location access. Additionally, configure Windows Update and patch settings as needed. After setting up the configuration profile, click Next and provide the profile details, including name, remark, and security code, which is required to exit kiosk mode. Finally, click Save and Apply. Assign the settings to Windows device groups or a single Windows device to enable multi-app kiosk mode. In corporate offices, multi-app kiosk mode ensures that employees have access only to the necessary applications for their work tasks. Windows devices are configured to run essential productivity applications such as email clients, document editors, and communication tools, while restricting access to social media and other non-work-related apps. In educational settings, multi-app mode is often applied to library terminals and examination devices, allowing students and staff to search catalogs, access research databases, and use productivity tools, while restricting access to unauthorized websites and applications. Devices can be configured for secure testing environments where only testing applications are accessible, ensuring the integrity of the examination process. For retail, devices can be set up to run fast checkout and self-services application while blocking access to non-essential apps, which enhancing customer interaction and streamline operations. In addition to kiosk mode, AirDroid Business also provides a variety of powerful device management functions. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial.